What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as ETC to USD, also known as Ethereum Classic to US dollar. We're also going to be looking at the current coin market cap, as well as I've been seeing a lot of interesting YouTube videos on the Litecoin and cryptocurrency community in regards to the fact that Bitcoin and Litecoin could potentially see a break in the next couple of weeks, if not this week. So sounds very interesting. I wanted to give my own take on that, look at the charts with my own true grain, and we'll definitely get some sort of outcome by the end of the video. Otherwise, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, and I am doing a giveaway at 12,000 subscribers, so if you want to be involved in that, definitely make sure to subscribe. Otherwise, let's jump into today's episode. Alright guys, so I'm on the current coin market cap and I want to look at all the altcoins and cryptocurrency as well as the market by volume. Before we jump into the chartings, this is the best way to get a general overview and consensus of what exactly is going on. So as we see, market cap is 267 billion, 24-hour volume is 49.2 billion, and Bitcoin dominance is 69.9%. So we are seeing Bitcoin dominance slowly dive down, volume is getting semi-slow, and market cap is slowly going up. You can see it at the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Everything is kind of in the middle. It's kind of mediocre right now, being that only 5 out of the 10 cryptos are in green. The others are in red, not really down by much. Bitcoin is actually falling, and I find that quite interesting. You can see right here, ever since Bitcoin did its little dip, it's been consolidating out, trading sideways, while all the other cryptocurrencies seem to be using this as a means of gaining momentum and, going up to higher levels. So you can see Ethereum is shooting up, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, and obviously Litecoin is involved in that too. Litecoin is slowly gaining on Bitcoin Cash. You can see at 4.4, that's a lie. I thought we were catching up. They're still down by about $1 billion in difference between Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin, which is unfortunate because there was a time when Litecoin is above Bitcoin Cash. You can see Bitcoin does have more market cap, but there's a ton more than double volume being within Litecoin. So Litecoin definitely has more activity, but Bitcoin Cash does have a bigger market cap. So that's unfortunate, but I do want to jump into the other cryptocurrencies in the charts in a second. You can see majority of the market is in green though, but these are smaller per market cap. 82 million isn't quite something to pay attention to. That's why we like to look at the top 10, because when you look at the top 10, they hold majority of the market. So otherwise, jumping into the market cap, into the chartings. So we're going to start with Bitcoin, and then we're going to go into the other cryptocurrencies, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic as such. So you can see in regards to Bitcoin, what exactly is going on. So in Bitcoin, you'll notice we were tracking a major uptrend right here. For those of you who are new to the channel, this is something that I regularly talk about because it is something current. Also, guys, let me know your feedback on the video I posted yesterday in regards to my $510 Apple MacBook Pro laptop that I bought for fairly cheap. I think that was a great deal. I loved sharing that with you guys. As you know, this channel is about money, and I do like to share any sort of tips and tricks to save money along the way as well. But you can see, getting back into the topic, Bitcoin in its uptrend right here, very interesting all in all. We've had a ton of action within the past couple of days. You'll notice we did have a small downtrend, which did unfortunately break us to bearish levels below the uptrend right here, which was unfortunate, but we ended up getting right back inside with using a support at around $9,300, around $9,400 and a high-low middle moving average. Unfortunately, there was a death cross when we did have this small correction right here, but beautifully enough, we did manage to get back inside the uptrend. We were consolidating and we did fall below it, but we're currently trading right on this, and it seems to me that there is a dead giveaway of resistance trading at around $10,600. So we are kind of hanging out here within this uptrend. A lot of you guys ask me in terms of what prices I can see the cryptocurrencies moving to, so I did want to share that with you guys, because I do think that is quite important. So in regards to where we could see this coin move to in the next couple of days, if not weeks, is definitely more of a bullish, outlook. I know I don't want to be super perma bull, but it's definitely my, outlook on here. If I showed you this chart like this, you could pretty much tell that this looks about right. It doesn't look off. It looks like history would be repeating itself with an ascending triangle. Noticing that we do continue to close in here as we get closer and closer to the point of contact. This little cap right here, volume starts to get very, very, very close, not much movement, and then we start to see a lot of pressure building right here. Unfortunately, I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but a lot of ascending triangles break bearish. That is a possibility, but until then we could see a major rise from $10,000 all the way up to almost $13,000. So there is definitely play money and some room in there to make a pretty small or a pretty big profit. Honestly, I don't want to say a small one. Totally depends on what your investment is. So to continue off, you'll notice we are kind of getting stuck right here. We're getting stuck. We look good on the RSI, trading at 52 gives us plenty of room to head up. We just really need to use support. Now we do have a couple. We have this high-low middle moving average, and we do have a support at $10,000. But we do have this uptrend too, which if we can continue to trade here and break a 10,600 or 10,568, this resistance looks to be at around $10,568. If we can build up enough support to close a candle above here, that pretty much gives us the ultimate sign that we are going to start to head up to obviously higher levels, seeing probably a very big spike in volume, and it could push us up pretty quick. And obviously that volume will trickle down into other altcoins like Litecoin and Ethereum. So let's look at Litecoin right now, which is doing phenomenal. You'll notice Litecoin is one of those coins that, you know, Bitcoin volume would trickle down into. And honestly, I am super excited to see Litecoin acting so well. We finally seem to have found a support that we managed to break bullish of, and I am super happy, mainly because for those of you who are new and don't realize that we've been tracking a major bearish descending wedge, our descending channel on this coin for months now, ever since June. So we've had July, August, and September now of just straight bear market. And honestly, I've seen it. I've seen it on the channel. I've seen it on other channels. I've seen that you guys get disinterested and upset when we see long-term bearish downtrends. And I understand that, but that is temporary, and it's necessary for these coins to continue to head up in price. And that's what we're starting to see now. So merely now what we're looking for is, and I think we'll start to see that reflected in the channel as well and on crypto as a whole, is the fact that we did manage to close a candle finally above our downtrend. This is huge, guys. Like, I'm not stressing this. This is huge, or I'd like to stress this. We have not yet been able to break this downtrend since it started all the way back in June. We have yet to close a daily candle above here. Every time we wick up through it, we close the candle below it. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 failed attempts of breaking through here. And finally, yesterday was the day that we managed to break through here with a ton of volume, shooting us up from a low of 33 all the way to 46 on the RSI. Still plenty of room to head up higher. The main goal and the main target for this coin and this price right now is directly here. This box right here is a dead giveaway. So we're looking for an $86 to $95 price jump, or sorry, to those levels. That's about, we can calculate this too by using something here. It's called the, where is it? I think it might be long position, or, yeah, I think it's here. So we could do price range. Here it is. We can channel it from where we're currently at all the way up to the top. So this is about let's see. This is about a 35% jump, indicating a $25 gain on this coin. $25 per $70 coin is a huge leap. Like, we could do some calculations and figure out what that is, but that's kind of massive, guys. To see this coin shoot up this high will give us quite a bit of profit, honestly. $25 per coin. You have 4 coins, that's $100. 7, 14, 21, 30, 28. So in $280 you will gain $100 from this. Being the price is 70, 70, 7, 14, 21, 28, that's $100 per coin. So every 4 coins you have at this price level, if we do indeed go up 35% to this, that will be an additional $100. So if you own, I believe it is 40 coins, and that will be $2,800. If you put $2,800 in the market at the price right now, and we do manage to go all the way up this 35% jump to $25, that will grant you a $1,000 gain. So that is pretty quick. And if we can do this in the next couple of days, if not maybe a week or two, maybe by end of September, that is a $1,000 gain on your investment down here. So I think we are definitely headed up here. It's awesome. It looks great. So that's pretty much my review on Litecoin. I hold that very high. I am involved in Litecoin too. I will be buying more at $70 because I do really hold potential. I'd like to get some skin in the game. You can see also I did buy Bitcoin at 10,000, so we're a little bit above there, not too much. I didn't buy that much, so it doesn't really make a huge profit. But you'll notice with Ethereum being right here, we seem to have used this downtrend to break higher levels. We did find a support resistance right over here, and you'll notice we're starting to head back up. Same familiarity with Litecoin, trading at around 45 on the RSI. It looks to me like we want to head up to this level right here. The high-low MMA is its next target. That can show anywhere from 210 to 232. Let's do a quick price analysis right there, see what that could be. That could hold gains up to 50% or $50, and that's 27%. So it looks like Litecoin holds the best weight right now. As for Ethereum Classic, which seems to be kind of caught and tied in with its high-low middle moving average, looks to be pretty okay, honestly. We may see some more consolidation with this coin, but I do want to continue to chart this for the next couple of days. We may end up falling back down to this level, maybe at around $6.70, but then I do think we should use it as a support to eventually break through this high-low MMA and hit about $8. And that, in terms of price range, would be, let's start it from here, about a 23% jump, about $1.57 per coin that you owned, and that could be quite profitable as well. So I think all the coins look really good except for Bitcoin right now. Otherwise, guys, if you're new to the channel, you like this TA, you want to see more, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Also remember, there will be a giveaway at 12,000. Peace.